Ladies and gentlemen, my video guide will give you instructions that will help you to get rid of the ransomware called Reads. It is called Reads because it adds a special Reads extension to the files that are encrypted and damaged by this particular ransomware. So in the video I will demonstrate to you what happens with your files after the ransomware actually affects them. Before the ransomware attack, you can open your files without any problems at all. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, and other documentation that you store on your computer. So no matter what the file format is, you can open it without any essential troubles. But this is what happens after the ransomware actually attacks your computer. So, due to certain vulnerabilities in the system, the ransomware may become the part of your system, and once it happens, the ransomware starts immediately encrypting the data that you store on the hard drive of your system. And pretty soon you notice that the file has been given this special reads extension, and you can no longer open these files. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. But there is no guarantee that if people pay the ransom, they would get their files back. So we strongly recommend you not to pay that ransom, because this may simply be the waste of your money. What you should do, and we strongly advise you to do that, is to scan your computer, your Windows computer, with Combo Cleaner antivirus and anti-ransomware. You may get its fresh version on the website combocleaner.com. So Combo Cleaner will detect other threats, and in particular it will detect this Reads ransomware, remove it effectively, and it will help you to protect your data from being damaged in the future. So download Combo Cleaner antivirus using this download button, run the installer, wait until the program is successfully installed, make sure you update its antivirus database, and then perform the thorough research and investigation of your computer to detect this Reads ransomware and to remove its associated files from your computer. But Combo Cleaner will also help to protect your data from being damaged in the future. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, you need to select your preferred scan type. However, the trial version only gives you the quick scan option, even though the premium one has got full scan and custom scan too. Click on the Start Scan button to begin the detailed investigation of your computer. The quick scan will be in progress, and it may take a while until the quick scan is completed. While the quick scan is taking place, you may experiment with certain settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It has got the powerful anti-ransomware feature. You may select a special folder where you may have all your files stored in a safe place and protect it against all possible ransomware attacks. So you may add this folder and keep your files protected in it. However, this feature again is the part of the premium version only. After the scanning is completed, the program will give you the detailed summary of all threats on your computer and their exact location. Some of these threats may be related to your available browsers like Google Chrome or Firefox. Combo Cleaner will help you to fix your browsers. In fact, all the browsers that have troubles can be easily fixed by Combo Cleaner antivirus. And what's more important, Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and delete more serious threats like ransomware And as I have said, it will help you to protect your data from being damaged and infected in the future. So enjoy Combo Cleaner. Consider upgrading to the premium version of the software to make sure that all your data is in the safe place.